roof is great.
Well, working with
Say
Josh.
it's really
Oh my
awesome,
God.
okay?
It scared me.
It'll fucking scare you if you don't say I'm fucking nice.
Okay. Josh is a great guy. He's not forcing me to do this testimonial. I'm doing this on my own free will, and I'm not scared. I'm here at the Roofing University learning how to install the metal diamond shingles, and right now we are doing a skylight install. Josh has also been showing us some new vents that have came out, and yeah, we're here for a good time and learning some new things.
I think it's a great course to kind of wrap your head around, the fundamentals of how these systems are installed. Josh is great. I know that, he posts a lot online about some of his jokes and stuff like that, but truthfully, the guy knows, what he's doing. Really good technician, a really good teacher.
You don't have to necessarily be an expert to come here, or, you can be like a newbie, like some of us that are already here, and it's just a great class to learn.
So we came out today to just expand on our pool of knowledge and grow. We always try to sharpen the axe and remain a student of our craft, and that's why we're here today.